To install Git, just go to the website git-scm.com. Depending on your operating system, it will direct the Git to download. So my operating system is Windows. So I will just click on download for Windows. Then it will download the setup file for Git. This file is about 45 MB and it will take a minute or two to download this file depending on your internet connection. Okay, the setup is now downloaded. I'll just click on it. And you'll get a dialog box like this. Just have to click next and you have to choose where you want to install Git. I'll just let it be default in program files. Okay, so I had already Git installed over here and I will just click yes. And just click next, 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 next. Just go on clicking next and now it will install like a normal software which you install on Windows. You just wait for it to install. Okay, after the installation is complete, you will get this window. I'll just untick this view release notes and I'll click on launch Git bash. This will create a terminal in which you can execute the Git commands. To start Git anywhere, just right click and then you can see two options, Git GUI here and Git bash here. Just click on Git bash here and you will get a terminal window like this. And then you can perform all your Git operations through this window. The second way is you can click on Git GUI here. You will get this window. You'll have to create some repository and I'll show you. I'll just create one sample repository and it has created a folder on my desktop which will contain the Git files, and then you can perform all your operations here. Thank you for watching the video up to the end. If you like our videos, do like, share and subscribe.